spend the whole day together. You guys should spend the day with me as I show you guys what I do as a mom of 3 in Sweden from morning to night. Halloween is next week, I think. Halloween is next week.
Mom, this is your favorite Halloween.
Yeah. I'm gonna dress like a
Ghost.
Do I do Halloween with you guys? I don't do Halloween. No. It's for you guys, not for us.
Oh, Mom, that's not Halloween. It's gonna be fun.
Oh, okay. You guys will have fun in school, but Halloween is next week. So take your boots to this side.
Mom, it's going to be ta-da.
Okay. Come here. Come this way, Choo-choo. I won't be taking CHIKAIMA to school today. Her dad has taken her already, so I'm going home now. So I'm home now. It's time to fix the house. I'm going to be arranging their room, then arrange my room, clean the house, and do every other thing I need to do before they get back. But one thing about arranging my kids' room is, no matter how you arrange it, once they get back, it's scattered. But I still have to arrange it, you know. There is nothing I can do. Man, this sickness has gotten into me. My voice has even changed. All right, let's start. Let's start. This is what their room looks like now. This is what their room looks like. And after, look at everything here is made by CHIKAIMA. Look at what she made. And she said, Mommy, hang it up for me. And then this is their bed now. This is the floor. This was Chukwudi's bed. Look at what he did to his bed. Look at where Madam is hanging her bags. And this is just the way the room looks like, because I feel they are kids. They don't need much furniture. All they need is a bed, TV, and books. And look at where Madam packed her books. You dare not remove that books. You see where it is? If you remove that books, if you remove those books from there, you and CHIKAIMA, you guys are going to have problems. Because she's a bookworm. She can wake up around 2 in the midnight and start reading. She can start coloring around 3 in the midnight. So I always make sure her books are beside her. So when she wakes up, she just stretches her hand on the light and do what she wants to do. So that's that. Look at the rainbow she did. She just loves art, you know. But this is basically their room. Look at their room. This is how their room looks like. So let's go to the next. This is what my living room looks like now. So let's fix this. So this is it after. This is what my living room looks like now. And then next one is the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. This is my kitchen. Yes, I left my plate overnight because I am not a wood. I don't have an extra hand. I only have 2 hands. And these plates, okay, this is actually like 2 plates or 1 plate. I don't know. Anyways, this is my kitchen now. So let's fix it. I have to do the dishes and fix this whole mess that I made there. I've been so lazy. And this is what my kitchen looks like now. I've cleared everywhere. I've swept the whole floor. Everywhere is looking squeaky clean. So that's that. And then I'm going to be reading. So I couldn't go to school yesterday, you guys know, because I'm not feeling fine. In as much as I look like this, I am really, really sick. So I have to go do my assignment because I got the assignment last week. I have to finish up. Then, with time, I think I'll eat later around 3. I'm not really sure, but I'll eat late. That's how I do every day. I don't eat breakfast. I'm coming to pick him this early. So let's pick him. Okay, go and wee. Yes, go and pee. Be fast. His dad is waiting for him outside, so let me pick them up. Then I'll go pick Chikaima. Then we'll all go home because I have to cook today. I'm making soup. Okay, soup. Fine. Look at his tiny voice. Fine. Fine.
Bye, boo boo.
Fine.
Bye, boo boo. To go to right, yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Where is your car? Car. Car. Okay. Yeah, let's go. Let's go meet Papa. Papa is waiting for you. Yeah, let's go. Goodbye. Yes, baby. Bring everything. You guys went to the library. You got new books.
No, Mama, this is not a book. It's a signing tin. Open it.
Okay, don't worry. Let's get home. Your Papa is waiting. Take your backpack, your books, your cap, and let's leave. Going home now.
But
She
Mom,
said she made something. What did you make?
I made it just for Ibrahim.
Ibrahim is her friend. I think they play basketball together all the time. And what else? What else, Mama?
Sometimes we play
Football. So sometimes they play football. And it's actually my neighbor, our neighbor. We live in the same house. So the same building, sorry.
Auntie, Mama.
Home sweet home. Mama is bringing out everything.
No,
Mama, what is it now? Give him now. You don't want to share?
No, Mommy, use some flashlight.
Flashlight?
Yes.
Yes, I saw it. Chukudi, wait, I'll give you. Wait. I'll give you. Got Mama a surprise. She wasn't expecting it. It's a Nika Pika. She loves it. And the last summer, I think she lost the one she got. And you know, since then she has been like,
Hi, Nika Pika. How are
So
you
look at her.
again? This is my pet.
Aww. Yes, baby.
Mommy, I don't have a pet.
You have a pet. You pet yourself first. Eh? What is going on? Now, okay, let's cook our soup. You know, I'm not
Try to press the brakes.
children. This is what I go through every day. This is what I do every day. Every day. Every day, same thing. It's not easy. So let's wait for the mates. After that, I don't know what I will
Press the brakes, Chuchu.
Which brakes? Which brakes?
The brakes
There is
are-
no brakes. That's baby bike. We are the brake. Me, I'm the brake of the bike. Oh, Gena, can it fall? Come down. Okay. It's ready. It's what are you singing? A B C D E F G. So our egusi soup is ready, and it's time to eat.
Mom, I've already eaten 5 bread in school.
You ate bread.
Yeah.
You won't eat this, but you eat at night. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Oh, God.
I thought I was cooking and made my mother tired.
I'm so tired. It's not easy, but we gotta do it for the people we love. And I love my family so much. Where's Juju? Yeah, you guys should sleep. Hold it. Hold it.
Why is here?
Sleep, sleep, don't worry. Mama, I don't want to pee again, Abby. No. Okay. Sleep, okay? Say good night. Say night, night. Night, night. Oh. So it's time to sleep, my babies. Move your hand from the look eyes, man. Yeah, let's go. Lie down. Take your teddy. Take your teddy.
No.
What do you want?
No.
Good night, baby. Yeah, lie down. Good night, Mama. Mama. Kiddos.